snow. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Heartwarming back with another freaking video. Welcome if you're new, back if you're not. If y'all hear that background noise, that's my brother snoring. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna try to speak up as loud as possible so y'all can hear me over him, basically. So today this video is gonna be something chill. I'm gonna be telling y'all my Christmas list, or should I say Christmas ideas? Either or. Christmas list, Christmas ideas, things that I want for Christmas, things that you probably might want for Christmas and you just didn't know you wanted it yet. So yeah, let's get into it. I have it all broken down in my notes. So we're gonna start with content items. I'm a content creator, so of course I'm gonna need items. And why not ask for it for Christmas, right? So number one is more SD cards for my camera. Since I do film and I do vlog a lot, I need a lot of SD cards because sometimes I don't want to delete the videos off the SD card. I want to keep them because maybe when I get older I might want to look back on the videos that I took throughout high school, you know what I'm saying? So I put that on my Christmas list. This is a picture. Throughout the video I'm going to be putting pictures, popping them up, so y'all can get a visual idea of what I'm talking about. These are sold everywhere basically. Walmart, Target, Amazon. Any store that got a camera, they got some SD cards. Know that. Okay, next on my list is another battery. Since I do vlog, I feel like it'll be more convenient for me to have 2 battery packs. Just in case one battery dies, I have the next one that I can pop in my camera. This how the battery look, yeah. Nothing too, you know. I just need 2 batteries. Because one is better than 2. So, a MacBook. A MacBook is something that I've been wanting, but I had to prove to my mom that I can keep up with my stuff. Because I've been having my computer. I had this regular computer. I done had it for like 3 years now, so I proved to her that I can keep up with a computer or whatnot. So I want a MacBook. I feel like I'll be able to store more stuff on it, especially during editing. Editing kind of takes forever when I have long videos. My iPad be losing storage like it's an iPhone, and I barely be having anything on it. A ring light. I need a new ring light, y'all. My ring light that I had, I think 8th grade, freshman year, is broken because the tripod, it like falls off the tripod now. It don't stay up straight, and I don't like that. I just need something that's going, without me having to hook it up all extra just to record a video with some good lighting. Pink tripod for a camera. This is not something that I really have to have because I have a nice tripod, but aesthetically, you know, pink gives. So a pink tripod for my camera. One is that I can like make it long, because my tripod kind of is like one that you hold in your hand and it don't really get tall. It stays the same height. So I would like one that can extend and go down. Last but not least, on my content items list, I want a public interview mic. I know y'all been seeing the public interviews and people been having the mics in their hands or clipped to their shirt. I need one of those for y'all, and so I can start doing public interviews, because I want to get out my comfort zone and start asking people stuff. I'm kind of socially awkward, but I'm not, but I am. And I want to get out my comfort zone and start doing public interviews, be more interactive with people around me instead of just being Harmony. Yeah, I'm gonna make it more about the people that I be around to fight. So I need one of those mics so my video clarity will be A1 and I don't have to be all in people's face, all the extra stuff on my phone. No. Mic, boom, boom. Simple. So this is the next category, essentials. To me, essentials are something that you have to have, you know. A new iPhone charger. I can't keep an iPhone charger for nothing. I broke mine, so I asked for a new iPhone charger because why not? Organize your containers. So my room is not dirty, but I do have stuff all over the place, and it would look neater if I had containers where I could just put the stuff in there and not have it stacked up against my wall. So plastic containers where I could store items in. Yeah, because I feel like it'll make my life so much easier to have a set place where I could just put it in there and close it. Or yeah, put it in there and close it. I'm thinking more of the drawer like ones that you can slide in and out, and I could just stack it against my wall and I have the stuff going up my wall. Because baby, I keep a lot of stuff. I don't like giving away my stuff. Like my artwork from middle school, I still have it. I'm not throwing it in the trash. Notebooks from classes, still have them. Still have them. A mini trash can from my room. I got a mini trash can, but I need a new one because I really don't like it. So a mini trash can, I need it. If you don't have a trash can in your room, what are you doing? Get one. I need one. Yes. And this one is not that essential, but it's essential if you're from Atlanta. You feel me? Air Force Ones. I need some more Air Force Ones. My Air Force Ones are beat up. I usually get Air Force One every year for the back to school, but I think I messed those up at the fair. So I need some more Air Force Ones. Instant color photo printer. You know how people have Polaroid cameras? I don't want that because I'm not that girl. I'd rather be able to print my pictures from off my iPhone on the printer. Just like if you go to Walmart or Walgreens or anywhere that prints pictures, you can connect your phone to it and it print out your pictures off your phone. I want something like that, but for my house. So I want it's called Instant Color Photo Printer. This is one that I seen on Amazon. If you look up that name, I'm pretty sure there's 1,000 different ones. Water Wave Human Hair Wig, 13 by 16 lace front. That's an essential wig. I feel like almost everybody got that wig and I don't. I want a water wig so I can straight out the water with my hair looking wavy and me looking good. I want one. I have to have one before I go to college. Because what's going to be my throne wig if I don't have it? Exactly. Y'all know what it look like. Y'all know what it look like. Yes. That's the wig that I want. It's nothing too major. Black, simple, go anything, look good, feel good. Yeah, all that. Visa gift cards. I mean, it's essential. I can pay for anything with my Visa gift card. Do you understand where I'm coming from? Anything under the sun. Visa gift card, that's all I need. That's essential. I could buy this stuff with my Visa gift card. You know what I'm saying? Okay, next category is accessories. This year I've been getting more into, I guess you could say, designer stuff, but I'm really not OD hyped on designer because it's not that deep to me. But this is a brand that is well known. Steve Madden Bebezzler C Glitzy shoulder bag, black and gold. It's super shiny, super cute, super girly. Me, I'm the type of person, I don't want no solid black purse that's just black leather. I need something that makes it extra. And these two purses have rhinestones all over them. The Steve Madden will do one thing, he gonna bedazzle some stuff, and I love that because I love bedazzled items. Okay, chrome heart earrings. They are galaxy looking earrings. I think that's what they are. When I Google, that's what I found. I like them. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like I would look cute with some galaxies on my ears. I really want a tennis bracelet and necklace because I feel like they complement outfits very well. And it's something that I could accessorize with almost every outfit. Also chill, you feel me? Yeah. A little razzle dazzle. Icing gift card. Icings, they sell a whole bunch of stuff. Belly button piercings, all the extra stuff. Phone cases. Yeah. Itzz is a store with accessories. I could buy accessories, you feel me? You see where I went there hand in hand? Then we got Spencer's. Spencer's is where I buy most of my jewelry for my specialty piercings from. So I would love a Spencer's gift card because I stay at Spencer's and Spencer's not cheap. Yeah. Next category is kitchen/food items. It's this thing called it's a smoothie blender cup. You basically use the same cup, you blend it in and you just drink it. I don't know how to explain it. Y'all, the picture is self-explanatory. You get a cup, it's a blender and a cup all at once. You put your food in there, you blend it up, and you take it on. You take it and you go and you drink. I want one of those. I feel like it'll make my life so much easier, and me trying to eat healthier and stuff would be easier because I could do it. I could even blend my stuff up in the car before I go to school. You feel me? That's the type of, yeah, I'm trying to be proactive. Then I really want the Ninja Creamy. Yes, you can make all types of stuff with it. I know y'all seen the TikTok. When I was looking for some during the summer and my Walmart was sold out of them. So this is my chance. Hopefully nobody wanted it for Christmas and only I can get. But I really want one because I want my own ice cream and sherbet. That'll be fun. Last but not least is gift cards for restaurants. Chick-fil-A, Cheesecake Factory, Zaxby's, Chipotle. You feel like restaurants, fast food restaurants, anything I'll eat at that I eat at, I want gift cards for because instead of spending my money, I can just swipe my gift card and I'll be all set and I'll be eating good. So yeah, those are the type of food gift card I want. Chipotle, Zaxby's, Cheesecake Factory, Chick-fil-A, Juicy Crab Hut, Scratch Juicy Crab Hut. Yeah. Insomnia Cookies, Great American Cookies, Auntie Annie's. Yes. Okay, this is the last category. I titled it Smell Good Items. Items that make you smell good. Yes. Marc Jacobs Daisy Love. You are so sweet perfume. I think I said au revoir. I don't know. I might be saying it wrong. But that perfume, I sampled it. I smelled it at the store. I want it. Just like I sampled that Chanel. I love it. I got it. Now I want the Marc Jacobs one. It smells so good. His bottles are so cute with the flowers on them. Yes, I gotta get it. I gotta get my hands on it. Then we got Bath and Body Works. I personally fell in love with the strawberry pound cake one. It smells so sweet, so good. I love smelling sweet. So if you around me and you smell me, I smell sweet. I try to go for candy, fruit good too, for me. So the strawberry, I recommend that scent. Strawberry pound cake, that one's good. And champagne toast, that's the other one that I use. So champagne toast, strawberry pound cake, Bath and Body Works, perfume, lotion, body wash. I want all of it. Even if they got a body scrub, I want it. Then last but not least, pink, warm and cozy. I love that scent. It's settled but smells so good. Then of course gift cards to those places. Pink gift cards, Bath and Body Works gift cards. I would love it. You know what I'm saying? That's really it on my list. I feel like I've been rambling for so long. Comment down below your top 3 gifts that you want for Christmas. I hope y'all get everything that y'all want. I hope I gave y'all some ideas on what to ask for. But that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Fingers crossed I get what I want. Yeah, fingers crossed. But if I don't, I'm still grateful for what I have. That'll be it. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at @Itzz.harmo and on TikTok at @OK.harmo. I'll catch y'all next time. And I'm out. Bye, guys.